How can we deal with electronic component obsolescence? Imagine designing a product today that needs to last for 10 or even 20 years. How do you keep it working when the parts it depends on are no longer made? That's the challenge of electronic component obsolescence. When a component is no longer available from suppliers, it can cause serious problems for ongoing production, maintenance, and repairs. Obsolescence happens for many reasons. Newer, faster, or cheaper technologies replace older parts. Market demand for certain components drops, making manufacturing unprofitable. Sometimes, materials or manufacturing processes change, making older parts impossible to produce. For example, a microprocessor that was common 10 years ago might now be hard to find because newer models have taken over. One way to handle this is to plan ahead during the design phase. Choose components that have longer lifespans or are supported by multiple manufacturers. This reduces the risk of sudden shortages. Keep track of end-of-life notices from suppliers. Many companies publish these alerts months or even years before a component is discontinued. This allows you to prepare for replacements or redesigns early. Diversifying suppliers is another key strategy. Instead of relying on just one source, work with several suppliers who stock the same or compatible parts. This way, if one supplier stops making a component, you can quickly switch to another. It also helps you avoid delays caused by supply chain disruptions. When a component becomes unavailable, finding a replacement is essential. You need to check if the new part fits physically, matches electrical specifications, and is available at a reasonable cost. Testing the replacement thoroughly is important to ensure it doesn't affect the product's safety or performance. For sensitive applications like medical devices or aerospace equipment, compliance with regulations must be verified. Sometimes, companies stockpile spare parts to buy time, but this can be costly and risky. Components stored for long periods may degrade or become unusable. It's better to have a plan for quick replacement and testing. Overall, managing electronic component obsolescence involves proactive planning, continuous monitoring of supplier notices, flexible sourcing, and rigorous testing of alternatives. By doing this, companies can keep products running smoothly without unexpected failures or costly redesigns. This approach helps solve the puzzle behind product failures caused by unavailable or outdated electronic parts, keeping devices reliable and functional over their intended lifespan.